So hi guys, this is Jill from Wood Pigeon Outdoor, and today we're gonna have like a little tip about indoor gardening, but also indoor healthy living, because here it's winter, it's really cold. So we want to just show you a little video of how to bring summer and how to beat the cold as well during that cold weather. This is the ginger plant. Unfortunately, I had to cut this one because the cats were chewing on it, and we let it a little bit too long, like in the pot. So you see that that's what the cat chew on, and it's a little bit dry because we didn't water it in a long time. Yeah, Jay kind of killed it when I was away, so we're gonna see it. But unfortunately, you guys cannot smell it. But it has a fresh ginger, like spicy smell out even of the roots and the leaf. So it's really a nice flavor. I thought the smell alone will repulse the cats, but it's not the case. Like, we really liked it. So let's see how it turned out.
Now, can we eat, like, if the cats didn't destroy that part, could we eat this part?
I have actually no idea if we
Okay.
can eat the leaf. Like, for sure ginger is what you want is the root. Like,
And it is a bulb root, right?
Yeah.
So it's sort of like radishes, potatoes, stuff like that, right?
yeah, unfortunately we don't have any ginger you buy at the supermarket close, but you'll see soon enough. Like, I'm doing this in the sink because of, obviously you don't want that to do in the kitchen.
We are middle of winter.
Middle of winter and everything, so keep the soil, something else if we need it.
Okay, so this is the part that you started out with, right?
No, so this is the part I plant in,
Okay.
and there were two little noddle, like a little bit like
Nodules,
this,
yeah.
out, and they were stem going out here, and another one going out there. And as you can see, this is what it does. So basically, all this you can eat.
So this part,
Yeah.
bulb parts, that part is, okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wash it for you guys to see. So what we did is we replant ginger. You can buy ginger at any supermarket, and this is the brand new piece we just harvested. So the two stems were from there, and you can see like this is really fresh and still like some juice from it. This is what the old piece we plant in, and then this is just clean up. So what happened is a piece of ginger will have a little stamp like this, obviously, and when it's old, you can't, or it's your last piece of ginger you have, you can't replant this, and a new stamp will like coming out of it. So from this one, two came out, and it's like really easy to do, and it's really nice. It takes like 5 to 6 months to grow, and it doesn't take like anything except in water. Obviously, ginger is hard to cultivate for us outside in the winter, so we did it inside, but it has so many benefits of it. Ginger is really good for your stomach. If you have nausea or stomachache, it's really nice to eat some ginger. And it's really good for the cold as well, so you mix it with hot water, honey, and a little bit of lemon juice, and it will be really nice. So the way to do it when you arrive to eat is you cut it, you cut a slice, you peel it, and after, like, you can put it in tea, you can put it in food, like recipe. People are really, like in Asian food, they use a lot of ginger, which is really nice. So in tea as well, like an infusion of ginger, or you can do like candy. You can pickle ginger, you can do like a candy piece of ginger, so you kind of...
Now, how do we do this one?
You basically do it like any candy. You wrap it with sugar and you cook it.
Or dry it and wrap it and dip in sugar?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have to do it. It has though a really strong ginger taste. If you don't like ginger or you don't like that kind of taste, it's really strong. I'll suggest to you guys to try it before, because ginger is not for everybody. It has a lot of health benefit, but it's really not for everybody to just eat like that. So for example, if you do like an infusion and you want to try it with honey and lemon juice, like you can start with just a little piece like this. And if you don't mind the taste or you really like it, like after that you can go with a bigger chunk of it. It doesn't matter. If you eat raw ginger, or if you eat like candy ginger or pickled ginger, I'll suggest to eat maybe like 2-3 pieces, not so much. It's really good for nausea and like stomach ache, but if you eat too much, like your stomach's gonna have like difficulties to digest all of it. So like just refrain yourself to eat the whole like package. I like ginger like candy, so I even buy some of those, and I could eat the whole like container by myself, but obviously like refrain to do that, because last time I like 8 to 10 pieces of that and I went like pretty stomach ache, like it hurt so bad. So that's why to do it. So this was the old piece, and I'll cut one of the new pieces just to show you guys. Like this is the new, like you can see it's like it's a little bit more yellow. So the new, the old. This one is a little bit more yellow. It smells more, like it seems to have like a little bit more flavor to it. So I think it's a good way to just like reuse food waste. Like we all know, especially in Canada and like in the US, we waste a lot of food. So it's just a good way to reuse food waste, and like to be cautious about like what we eat and have a good like fresh
supply
of it. And it's indefinite, because after that you can reuse another part, and it goes on and on and on.
So to reuse this part, because it has the stem,
yeah,
you would chop it here with the old stuff, eat whatever there, and restart with that one.
Yeah.
Right.
Or you can replant that to her,
right,
for example.
Because it has the
yeah,
stem thing poking up right there.
Mm-hmm.
So just put it in the soil, and we're good to go.
Yeah, just put it in the soil, you're good to go. If you buy some at the supermarket, they're really dry.
Mm-hmm.
So what people suggest is that you put it overnight in warm water, just to open like the bark,
up, yeah.
like just to loosen up, open up like everything, and after that you're good to go and you plant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. It's just a short video, but it's also like just a little tip of what me and Jay we do like in the cold winter, and how we like to bring the outdoor inside at this typically this time of the year. So I just hope you guys enjoy it, and as usual, be safe out there and in